In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display country flags in Excel and Google Sheets with this step-by-step tutorial. We'll explore a straightforward method using a simple formula that you can easily adapt for various countries. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open a new Google Sheet, so head over to Google Drive, create a new spreadsheet, and get ready to learn. Once your Google Sheet is open, the next step is to select a cell where you want to display your first flag. Just click on the cell to highlight it. This is where you'll start entering your magic formula. Now, here's the exciting part. In that highlighted cell, type in the formula. Let me guide you through this. The formula you're going to type is equal to image, then an open parenthesis, followed by the URL of the flag image you'd like to display. For example, to show the flag of the United States, you would type equals image, open parenthesis, quotation mark, and then the URL, which is https://flagsap.com/US flat64.png, followed by a closing quotation mark and closing parenthesis. This formula essentially tells Google Sheets to fetch and display the image from said URL right within the cell. After typing in the formula, press the Enter key. You'll see the US flag appearing in the cell you highlighted. It's as simple as that. Remember though, this particular URL corresponds to the United States. To display other countries' flags, simply update the URL with the specific two-letter country code. For example, if you want to display the flag of Argentina, change the US in the URL to AR. So it reads https://flagsap.com/AR flat64.png. Again, hit Enter, and you'll see the flag of Argentina in the chosen cell. This method allows you to add any country's flag by replacing the country code in the URL. Continue this process for the other countries you have listed in your spreadsheet. Simply copy the formula, update the country code, and hit Enter for each one. This method works similarly in Excel, using the image formula in Excel's specific syntax. It's a fantastic way to visually enhance your spreadsheets, making them more engaging and informative. Whether you're organizing a global dataset or just want to add a touch of international flair, displaying flags can bring your spreadsheet to life. So there you have it, a comprehensive, easy way to display country flags in both Excel and Google Sheets. Have fun personalizing your spreadsheets and impressing your colleagues with this simple yet effective technique.